to be brighter. Let me turn the music off. What up, Ari? Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a room tour. My room is completely done to what I want it to be for the most part. So I was like, let me go ahead and film an updated room tour because it's been a hot minute. So that's what I'm gonna go. Why can't I talk? So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below for more videos, and also follow me on all of my social media, which will be linked below as well if you are having trouble finding it. Without further ado, let's get on to this video. You could kind of see it in the background, but I'm gonna go into detail. But my room's not that big, so it won't be that long of a video. I'll just go into detail about everything, so let's go. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this section of the room. This is the door right behind me where you guys come in, as if you guys are gonna come in. Where people come in my room like one does. So back here I just have a bunch of jackets. I literally have so many jackets and you will see that in this video. And this is where I carry like my work bag right here and then hang my bigger jackets. So we walk in like this, right? Well, you open the door, but you get what I mean. We move over this way, and this section of the wall is like my office area. Okay, so this section of my room is like my office area. I say office area because it's just my desk, and I do my like office stuff here, like edit my YouTube videos on here. This is what it looks like. I just have my MacBook that I do my editing on or my homework. This is like my personal one. And then this one over here is actually my gaming one. And then I just put my iPad down here for like when I want to watch Netflix and then edit or do homework and watch music videos or stuff like that. Here I just have my lamp, and the lamp behind also changes colors. I will show you it just with this remote here. So if we want like pink vibes, we could do that. Yellow, orange, blue. Whatever you're feeling. That's kind of cute. We're gonna leave that. I just have a bunch of drawers. This desk is from IKEA, if anybody is wondering. It's the Alex drawers that everybody gets, and then I just bought the countertop. I just have like paperwork in here, my like beauty stuff, and by that I mean like chapstick and hand sanitizer. And then I have pencils, pens. Nothing that exciting. Almost said couch. This chair I got from TJ Maxx, so it's probably like not a one in a kind, but you know, TJ Maxx, you never know what you're gonna find. Moving up, I have these that I still haven't taken the tag off. I got them from Home Goods, and I just printed pictures off of Ari and then put them above, and then that's it for my desk area. We'll go ahead and move this way. My shoe collection. It's mostly black and white shoes because I feel like that fits better here. So it's just my shoe collection that I have here. Moving this way, my closet, which it's not that cute, so we're not going to go into detail, but I have more shoes. That's where I keep my dirty clothes down there, and then my regular clothes obviously right here. Alrighty, so that is that section of the room. We're gonna move on. I'll just do a quick little view of this way. Moving on to like the main one, like where my bed is and all of that. So above here, I have this cute shelf that I got from IKEA, and I put my Polaroid, and I got this signed Ari CD that she was doing, or you know, she tweeted that she was signing them and selling them, so I luckily got it. So that's that. Moving down, I have this clothing rack that I actually DIY'd. My big jackets, my nicer jackets organized by color. Aside here, I just hang my bags, and this is what it looks like from far. But yeah, super cute. I love it. I need to organize it a little better because it looks a little funny right now. Moving on this way is my lovely bed that I adore. Like, this is me, and I have so much more room. But I love this part of my room, obviously, because it's my bed. A lot of the stuff that I get is either from Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Target. I think that's pretty much it. So this bedding is from Home Goods. The pillows, this one and this one, are from Home Goods. I actually just got those. This blanket I actually got for Christmas, and it's from Target. It's like a knitted one, and just looks cute like displayed like that, you know. And next to my bed I have this lamp that I got from Target. This one also changes lights, but it does it from my phone, so I'll show you guys. So if I want to do like this, it'll change it to that. Colors here, so as you can see, so let's say we'll do blue, and I just move it around. And then I have my nightstand here. I just have this moon that my sister got me for Christmas, my Apple Watch charger where I charge my Apple Watch, and then down here I just have storage. Nightstand is actually from HomeGoods. I had to get something small enough to fit in this little section because I don't have that much room, and this one fits perfectly and it holds just the right amount of stuff. So I just charge my phone here and then a drink, and that's pretty much it. Moving on to the wall next to my bed, I have this cute mirror. Hey y'all. Display this little saying, and then I have all my Kylie stuff with the cute little candle here. That's this mirror. It's a circle mirror with the shelf, and I love it. I don't really take pictures here, but it's cute for like if I ever wanted to, I guess. And obviously you guys can tell my theme is like browns, blacks, grays, very neutral, and I love that. A lovely mirror. And it's the one with no borders, which I love. This isn't the IKEA one. It's from HomeGoods. It's a little cheaper than the IKEA one. So if you have a HomeGoods, look for this one because it's the exact same. Like, look, exact same. Moving this way, I have my shelf where I display like my high-end bags. I have my Kim KKW body, and then my Chanel top one here. I just have my Ari that I got for my birthday displayed here, and then a cute little decoration piece. Like I said, I have my jewelry. I put my rings in this little cute box that I got from HomeGoods. Over here is my bath bomb collection. I have my TV where I watch like Netflix. Ew, this makes it look ugly. Let's delete her. Where I watch like Disney Plus, Hulu, Netflix, all that good stuff. This is my dresser here. I got this from IKEA. On my dresser, I have displayed this cute little cloud candle that my friend got me. And then I have a bunch of other candles here with a, what is it called when like you put oil in this? A diffuser? Maybe? I don't know. But it like sprays that good scent. What are those called? Somebody comment down below. And then I have my Switch here, my Xbox that I never play. I kind of just do it for like the Netflix app and all that. If we ever want to play, I have it here. And then that's pretty much all that's displayed on my dresser. And then moving this way, we come back to where we started. So I'm gonna do like a quick 360 so that you guys can see it, because I know, like I said, my room's not that big, so it's pretty easy. But let's show you. There's the beginning, my little office space, cute shoes, clothing rack, my bed, my mirror, my shelf, dresser, TV, period. So that completes my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to, like I said, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. Yeah, like I said, my room's not that big, so it was a pretty simple room tour. If you guys want to like me to go into detail about like my organization, other little things, let me know. But I just want to do a quick little like overview of my room. That was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.